Our today's topic is basicity of amines. Basicity can be decided when it is dissolved in water. The reaction will be RnH2 plus water. According to the Bronsted-Lowry theory, there will be formation of RnH3 plus and OH minus ion. As faster as the reaction, the substance amine will be basic and basic. According to Bronsted-Lowry theory, Kb will be equal to RnH3 into OH minus concentration in moles per liter divided by RnH2. That is our previous knowledge. You know very well that Kb is higher than RnH2 will be more basic. If we are taking minus logarithm of Kb, it will be equal to pKb, and always logarithm value is if Kb is higher than log pKb will be lower. It means we can say that pKb will be inversely proportional to strength of base. Now we are comparing alkyl amine and ammonia. Ammonia, there will be the lone pair electron cloud RnH2. There is inductive effect plus I inductive effect. So over nitrogen more electron cloud density, so easily it will take proton. So any of the amine, either 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree, it will be more basic as compared to ammonia. Now the second content, we are comparing various type of amines, 1 degree, 2 degree, 3 degree. First point, in gas phase, I am comparing RnH2, one alkyl group, RnHR, and RnRR. It means 1 degree amine, 2 degree amine, 3 degree amine. It is clear cut that as 3 alkyl groups are here, so these will work here along with lone pair of electrons. So tertiary should be more basic as compared to secondary, as compared to primary. So 3 degree amine should be more basic as compared to 2 degree amine, as compared to 1 degree. It is true in gas phase, but in the solution state, means solution in water of amine, water and amine, what will be happen? Two another factor will be here. The first factor, that is how easily this electron pair is available for taking the proton. As bulky groups are here for 2 degree, 2 bulky groups are here, so lone pair of electrons are not easily possible for the coming proton from water. It means 3 degree amine, RnRR. Steric hindrance of 3 bulky group will be in this manner, that this lone pair of electron is not easily available for the proton. It means this steric factor if it is work, this steric factor is working in solution stage, then 3 degree amines are lesser basic as compared to 2 degree as compared to 1 degree. It means according to the steric factor 1 degree amine is more basic as compared to 2 degree as compared to 3 degree. So entirely this factor, steric factor, is against to inductive effect. One more factor will work, that is known as solvation. Solvation means RNH2 when dissolved in water. There will be formation of R, NH3 plus and OH minus. Here 3 hydrogens are available. So the bigger form I can write Rn plus H, H, H. Now this cation will be easily forming hydrogen bonding with the available oxygen of water. From 3 molecule of water there is formation of this positively charged ion RNH3 plus. It can easily bonded, hydrogen bonded with 3 molecule of water. Let us see in the secondary amine. RNHR plus H2O again, there will be formation of R and RH 2. It means 2 hydrogens are available for hydrogen bonding. So 2 water molecules are here which are making hydrogen bonding along with OH minus. Now let us consider for 3 degree amine. Again it will take proton. There will be formation of R3 and H plus, and here only one water molecule will be hydrogen bonded along with this OH minus as usual. So stability of this cation, that is much and more for this 1 degree. It means 1 degree amine is more and more basic. So according to solvation factor also 1 degree amine is more basic as compared to 2 degree as compared to 3 degree in solution form. Overall effect of inductive effect, steric effect and solvation effect. The ultimately basicity nature will depend on the nature of R group. If R group is bigger, then what will happen? If R group is smaller, then what will happen? So I am giving here the detail of the methyl group and ethyl group. For methyl group, this is the order practically proved. So for learning, I am writing here 2, 1, 3, 2 degree, 1 degree and 3 degree. If group is C2H5 group, then obviously secondary amine is the most basic, then tertiary amine, then primary amine. I can give here 2, 3 and 1, only one group. So 2, 3, 1 for bigger group C2H5, 2, 1, 3 figure for smaller one. Now about the basicity of aryl amine. And alkyl amine. You know very well the resonating structure of aniline. One structure I am drawing you can draw the another structure. Lone pair of electron will participate. There will be positive charge, here negative charge, and continuity will maintain rotation of this negative charge. So in this manner you will get such type of three structure where lone pair of electron is not available over the nitrogen. If lone pair of electron is not available or partially available, definitely you can say that these are least basic as compared to alkyl amine. One more factor, this aniline, you can say 6,6H5 NH2 plus water, there will be formation of anilinium ion. This anilinium ion is resonatically stable. How resonatically stable? As it is more stable, it means though basic criteria will remain, but as compared to alkyl amine, these are least basic. So usually you can say that aniline is less basic as compared to R and H2. Any of the R group is here. So the various question we will do now. Last topic about the basicity. If electron withdrawing group is there, then its lone pair of electron will be transferred here, so that will not be available. Or in you can say that electron withdrawing group, it means minus I effect showing group will decrease the basic strength. At the same level, toluidine, para-toluidine, alkyl group is here, CH3. Here plus I effect of this methyl group, so it will be increase the basic strength. Plus I effect showing group, increase basic strength. Now about the basicity, it is over. Now in my opinion, this amine chapter is over. I will send very soon the assignment, positively do the assignment with the help of notes and book.